Right. Welcome to another DamsTV, and this is a bit different. What I'm doing is, actually Skinface came up with this idea. He said, why don't you do, for your members, videos just for your members, so no one else can see them, only members. Members only. There's only 3 members, I know that, but you know what, you've stuck by me. You're members, you like watching, so you've got your own little videos here. Let me just, Jesus, creep out. See if I can kill them bikers. No, they're safe enough. I'll get you next time. So what I thought I'd do was just either I'm driving in the van, or I'll sit down and do little, maybe weekly, maybe every other couple of days, or when I feel there's an update, and I'll update you onto like almost like a very current, up to date where DamsTV's up to. It's the start of the year. We've done 2 Guardian warm roofs, and you've not seen any of them yet. I don't think I've put them out. Or have I? What was the last video I put out? Was that my hernia one? Yeah. So my hernia's doing good. It's doing good. I'm still not lifting anything, but plastering wise I can plaster fine. It's just I'm not lifting the benches, I'm not carrying bags of skimming, I'm not lifting boards, I'm not doing anything like that. It's actually 3 weeks today since my operation. Oh no, 3 weeks yesterday since my operation. So I'm doing okay, The other thing is, so I've done 2 last week. We did 2 Guardian warm roofs, and I've edited one. I need to do a voiceover, and then that can go on. And then I don't know if to do the other one. It's a decent roof. I'll have to, Caleb's back actually, so I might have to do it. I'll tell you about Caleb in a minute. I'll give you a quick update on him. So I've got the one that's going on this week, the one with Caleb. Then I did a bit of a patch-up job, and then I've just done, the last 3 days I've done an extension on the back of an house, like a kitchen. Do you know, like the typical extension, 4 walls, bifold doors, and a vaulted roof with velux in. I've done loads of them like that. It's only little, it was nice and handy, right round the corner from where I live. I've just finished that, so I've just nipped up to my accountant's, because it's that time of year. So she's going to have a good look at my books, because the taxman are saying that I owe them money, and I'm saying, well, I do owe you money, but I don't owe you that much flipping money. You can sod off. So they're gonna, she's gonna have a look at them and suss out, do her magic, and I'll do my magic. Then I get on with it. Caleb failed his maths and English again. So basically he goes to college to get him through his basic maths and English, right? And a health and safety one to get him on site if he wants to go on site. So basically he can pick trades, and he picked plastering, did he? So he's been coming with me, and he's pretty good, the lad. Have you seen? He's good. He's good. He'll turn up. You pass your stuff you want. He thinks. He knows what he's doing. Thinks. Hang on. Did I say Caleb thinks then? No, he doesn't think. But you get what I'm saying. He's not a bad lad, really. Do I want to be in this lane? Yeah. He's not a bad lad, really, so I would like to take him on. But I can't take him out of college, because he'll fail his college course if he doesn't. They'll kick him off if he doesn't spend enough time there. Plus, now if he'd have passed his English and maths right, I could have then maybe had him a couple of days a week, 2 or 3 days a week. But because he failed it, he's now got to go on a Monday. He's got to do that. I'm sure he said he's free every Friday, which doesn't really work in with me, because sometimes I could do with him Wednesday or Thursday, or if I've got a big day and it lands on a Thursday, you know what I mean? I don't want to be taking him in when I try and work. As you know, I work my diary to be dead easy on a Friday. So obviously I'd love to take him on, and I'd love to treat him and love to take him and have an apprentice, right? That'd be great. But it's no good if I run my diary so we have a shagger on a Friday, because I'm paying him and we're having an even easier shagger. So what's the point in that? It's just pointless, isn't it? So I'm going to have to keep my eye on the situation for the next 12 months, and we'll see what happens. But like I say, I'm not taking him in just paying him for paying him's sake. That's pointless. I've got to think of the business side of the decision, not just that I'd like an apprentice, if that makes sense. Right, so that's it for the sort of first video for the members only. I'd like more members actually. Get some more members. And is it £1.50 or something like that? It's not a lot. But I suppose people are not going to be members if I don't put any members only content on. They'll be like, what's the point in doing that, Damo? Maybe I should do a video just for members. Maybe I should do these members like regular, and like at this moment I've kind of got too much content that's the same, but maybe I should just put it on for you men. A Guardian warm roof that's just for members. Belting. Ooh, tell you what I've got coming up soon. Some lime plaster, I think. It's a bit up in the air, and if I'm honest with you, it's kind of out in my comfort zone, and I don't really want to be messing about because it's a new sort of completely different kettle of fish. It'd be handy for Liam, I suppose, but I haven't done any for that long. Be a bit like, do you know what I'm saying? Things you forget a vital bit, and then you're knackered. But I need to understand, I need to go and have a look at this job and understand why they want lime plaster and not just ordinary gypsum plaster. I just don't understand the thinking behind it. But we'll have to go and have a look and suss out what the crack is. Actually, I should make a phone call really. I might make a phone call after this. Right, so anyway, if you've liked this bit, get in the comments, all three of you, and tell me what you think. If you want to see more, do you want them daily or do you want them weekly? And they will just be for you members only. So you'll have to let me know what you think. You can be part of the channel, members. A members decision. Oh, maybe I should do that. Think of something and have the members decision. Because like, right, another thing this is the first one. What do you members think? I do all sorts of different things like fixing the cars, and I had the other channel, and I'm now wondering whether to just rattle them all on my own normal channel and screw the flipping views. Because our Liam was saying, well, your next video won't do so well, and I don't know if that's true or not. Because there's a video that I did on with the Volvo, and that gets quite a few views. It's like, it's up there with each month. It gets more views than others. So I'm like, really? But once it's on there, I get the next couple of videos, but once it's on there, and you know, people are watching it. If people search and find something, they watch. So I don't know if to. I've got another channel, haven't I? DamsTV Motors, but I don't know if to. I don't know if to bin it off and just put all my content on one. Because when I started DamsTV, it was me, Dams, doing stuff, doing plastering, doing cars, going caravanning, going on holiday, walking the dog, whatever, going for it. Because I come up with these great ideas, me like, I want to go. I want to get a Honda Plaque 90 and go do the top of Scotland camp and just go wild camping and just do the top of Scotland on the moped. That'd be great. But people are not feeling the love. So there's that. And there's the mother-in-law's house. The in-laws' house needs doing completely, and that's coming up this year. When we actually get round to it, when I'm over my hernia and I'm back to full kilter, we'll get on with that. So should that have its own flipping channel? Because that's plastering and building, so that's the same. I don't know. Dilemmas, eh? So I don't know where to go with the channel, because if I want to, I thought to myself, this is me being ambitious, I thought to myself, if I get enough money from YouTube to stop working and I can do YouTube as a job, but then if I'm plastering, then I've no content because I'm plastering. Unless I started doing like jobs for nothing, and that would be content. I don't know where I was going with it, but we'll have to see. Anyway, that's enough walloping on for now. Walloping? That's enough waffling on for now. And hope you enjoyed it. Get in the comments, tell me what you think. Asking me members, tell me what so you want to tell me where I'm going with the channel. Tell me what you think of this little snippet, if you like it or not. Oh my god, he's coming through. Nearly. And I'll look out for the new ones, and I'll see you on the next members only channel, members only video. Bye for now.